In other news, the Director of Public Prosecutions is to appeal the 4-year and 3-month sentence given to a man convicted for illegal possession of firearm. Several persons are outraged by the sentence given to the 28-year-old Dennis Mundell, since illegal possession of firearm attracts a mandatory minimum sentence of 15 years under the new Firearms Act. DPP Paul Llewellyn has admitted that Mundell was indicted under the wrong section of the Act. He was indicted under Section 45, which deals with unauthorized possession of a firearm, instead of Section 5, which deals with possession of a prohibited weapon and carries the minimum 15-year sentence. In a release, the DPP Paul Llewellyn said the interest of justice may be best served if the prosecution appeals the sentence of 4-year 3-month imprisonment. Administrative steps will be taken this week to file the appeal so that the Court of Appeal can review the matter and rule on the appropriateness of the sentence. In the meantime, Attorney at Law King's Counsel Peter Champagne has reacted to the admission of the DPP and plans to appeal the sentence.
A mistake. We are not infallible. The point is that this doesn't happen very often at all in terms of the dispensation of justice. Insofar as the appeal of this matter is concerned and the posture of the DPP now, it is going to be very interesting to see how the Court of Appeal will treat this, given the fact that normally one would appeal based on an error that is made by a judge. In this situation, it is somewhat different, but nevertheless, it's an error in law, and that does not take away the jurisdiction of the Court of Appeal to pronounce on it.
He adds that the updated firearms legislation is new.
And with all legislation that is new and complex, sometimes these things will arise. And I think what is needed is a comprehensive exposure to the legislation for the public to understand the consequences of the new legislation. We need to get to that stage where it is clearly understood.